The first step to creating our Thinglink is to find our base image. When we finally do, we're going to click Create and Upload Image. But let's take a look at how we find and save our image. The first way to get our Thinglink image is to actually create one ourselves in Google Drawing. So first, you go to your Google Drive and then you click New, More, and Google Drawings. If you've never used Google Drawings before, it's a really great resource for creating your own images. So the image I'm going to create is related to the letter A. So the first thing I'm going to do is enter text at the top. And to do that, I click this little T, and that allows me to click and drag and create a text box. Next, I'm going to enter some text. So the letter A. And I want that to be bigger. So I'm going to increase the size of that. Let's do 60. I want to center that, align that, and I want to change my font. If I wanted to, I can add a border to this. I can make the border weight pretty thick, and then I can color it with my paint can. Next, I'm going to insert some clip art pictures. So I go up to Insert, or you could also click down here, and you can either upload your images from the computer, but I'm going to search the web right in my Google Drawing here. So I want to find some things that start with A. So I found my apple, and then I'm just going to click and drag that into my document. And then once it's in there, I'm going to click and resize it. So I've done alligator axe, and let's just do one more. So I do a search, and I want to click and drag my ant here. And finally, I just want to finish off with the letter A. So I'm actually going to use word art here and just type capital letter A. And it's going to insert my A here. And I'm going to click and drag that a little bit bigger. And I want to change the color here. And voila. So right now I've pretty much created my image for my Thinglink. And now I want to just download it. So I'm going to save it. So I go to File and Download. And I'm going to save it as either a JPEG or a PNG file. Next, I'm going to go back to Thinglink and actually use my image. So in Thinglink, when I click Create and Upload Image, it's going to lead me to my directory on my device. And since I just recently downloaded my visual that I created in Google Drawings, it's right here. So I'm going to open that. So it's going to open that image right in a new work area on my Thinglink. So now I'm ready to add my tags. And to do that, I just click here on this plus sign. And I have the option to create a tag that has text and media. So that could be a link, it could be a sound, it could be a voice recording. I could just add a text label, or I can add a link or content from a website. And if I scroll down, you could even create a tour. And we'll talk a little bit about that in a few minutes. But let's go back because I want to add text and media to each of my objects. So let's start with my apple tag. I'm going to click and drag that over because that's the tag I'm working with. And I want to add text and media. And I can change the icon if I'd like. And what I want to do is I want to use this kind of play button looking icon. And I'm just going to select that and click done. And then I'm going to give my image a title, and that's going to be apple. And I'm also going to, for this particular situation, I'm going to upload myself recording audio for this particular image. Apple. And then I click done. So let's take a look at what happened. Apple. So let me show you that one more time. So I click add tag. I want to add text and media. And this is for my alligator. And I want to upload audio. Alligator. And here's what we have. Alligator. So for my letter A, I want to add a link to a YouTube video of the letter A song. So for this one, I want to add content from website. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my video on YouTube, and I'm going to grab the link for that just by clicking on share. And I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to paste it in there. And then I'm going to click done. Now watch what happens there. It opens up my letter song video.